Banda, Saragangarate, Sabando. Hey, you're watching Universal Munchie, Euro Family. Hey, this is ELENA featuring JALA BRAT. This is called Folira. Hey, ooh, this is gonna be super lit. Hey, gang, you now ganging with the gang. It's your boy J Munchie. Hey, you're watching Universal Munchie Euro Family. Hey, banda, saragangarate, sabando. Gang, you now ganging with the gang, you know what I'm saying? That's the slogan over here, you know what I'm saying? With the Slavics, you know what I'm saying? My Slavic people, you know what I'm saying? Balkan region, you already know we in Serbia today. Shout out to all my Serbians, you know what I'm saying? Yes, Serb, you know what I'm saying? We about to get into this dope song by ELENA and JALA or JALA BRAT, you know what I'm saying? This is a female singer and a male Bosnian Serbian rapper, you know what I'm saying? He is actually from Bosnia, you know what I'm saying? And hope you guys are ready, and if you got the munchies for music, and if you hungry for music, we're gonna check out this song, music video called Folira, you know what I'm saying? And we about to get lit, baby. Let's do this. Oh, what? Damn. Futuristic. Oh, wow. Wow, she switched up the outfit. Damn. Whoa.
A few moments later.
Oh. Well, we say what at the same time? Port, die. What? What? Huh? What?
1 hour later.
Who the hell? Hey, it's October 2023. This is a throwback, but it is Halloween season. That's JALA BRAT. Hey, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo, that drop, though. That drop, hitting.
2 hours later.
And if you got the munchies for music, hey, sing along, gang. Gang. Hey.
A few moments later.
From America to Serbia, from New Jersey to Serbia. I ain't gonna lie, that song go hard. Shout out to JALA BRAT, you know what I'm saying, and ELENA for both of them doing their thing. I ain't gonna lie, I love her vocals. She sound really good. Shout out to ELENA, you know what I'm saying, her delivery, her cadence was on point, you know what I'm saying, the beat drop. Let's talk about the beat was fire, super dope. I love every part of the beat, every transition, everything about the beat. But we gotta talk about the visuals too. The visuals were on point, you know what I'm saying? I felt like we were, you know what I'm saying, going into another dimension, you know what I'm saying, with the way they set up the lighting throughout this video, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the camera crew, you know what I'm saying? It's the camera crew for me, you know what I'm saying? And I see you guys in the next reaction video. I'm gonna rate this a 4.9. I really should rate this a 5, huh? This is an absolute banger, you know what I'm saying? I see you guys in the next reaction video. Hey, do Virginia. Moja braća isti svi. You probably like, wait, you know Serbian? What the? Trend makes, the world takes. Hey, everything I react to is great. Make no mistake. You do not relate. I'm just getting cake. Hell no, I can't wait.